All right, welcome to another edition of Bitcoin Billionaire. And tonight we're going to show you what is going on for Bitcoin, right? Seems that we're very volatile and to the range is going all over the place. So, yeah, let me just zoom out a little bit. It's actually not as bad as it looks. We're kind of stuck as between a rock and a hard place, right? Since yesterday, just moving in this range here between support and resistance. But a breakout is definitely coming soon. So we may need to extend this line a bit. But yeah, we're going to break out at some point soon. And maybe you're wondering, why is this going on? Why are we getting all this kind of pattern? And I'm going to show you that a lot of it has to do because of the traditional markets. This is the S&P 500, where we can see that we are getting lower highs, right, and lower lows over and over again. And so now we found support here. Hopefully we got to break that. This is a bullish pattern actually. So it's a downtrend, but they generally will go up. So as soon as the traditional markets will go up, and hopefully by the end of Friday night, Friday end of day market, if it goes up, then I think Bitcoin's going to do well. And when you're in doubt, zoom out. Now listen, there's two ways to look at Bitcoin. If we click log here, this may change how it looks, but we can do this, bring it out, and then we see this kind of model that, okay, we have support here, support there, and potentially Bitcoin will go there and bounce like that. That's one model. If we click the log view, which is evenly distributed by percentage, then we see that we've already touched support. So there's two views to look at it, log view and normal view. So log view, we've already kind of touched the support and we're bouncing off of it. Okay, a lot of people don't know that. They keep looking at the normal view, which is, if I zoom out, when you're using the chart, you press log, you see, it changes the way it looks. So what I'm saying is that from a logarithmic view, we have already touched support here. And so, but that doesn't mean it's correct. Potentially we have not touched it yet, and we could potentially go down more from to there, then bounce off. Now listen, if we break this support here, that's not going to be good. Then you should exit all of your trades. But is it a good time to buy? Well, I mean, you can, but probably the smarter way to, if you're going to play this game, is wait until we break this, right? So we have kind of this resistant line here. Obviously we can see that, right? If you zoom out, we can see that there's that resistance. So, you know, we've been rejected here, rejected there, we've been rejecting all over the place here. So maybe you want to open after we close a 4-hour candle above this. Okay, then you will be more confident in your trade. So because now if you open a trade, I'm already in some trades, but they're in loss. So because, you know, I thought we're going to break here, but we didn't. But I've kept it because we potentially will break out. I mean, on the top part, on the top to top. Okay. So, but listen, if we zoom out a bit, we can see that Bitcoin has been reaching some support here, right? That's what we see. And it looks like we're gonna make a move soon. We're gonna make a move soon. We're either gonna upside or we're gonna go on a downside. Okay, it's 50-50 at this point. We don't know, but if we go on the upside, the target will be at least 68 to 69,000. That's a 21% gain. With 5x, you can double. You can open your kind of BYBIT. If you don't know how to do that, go to the description on this video. You'll see I have a BYBIT link to open your trading account with leverage 5x. If it goes down, we're going down approximately, I would say probably about 6 to 7% down. And the bounce is about 52,000. So a lot of support there. Okay. Yeah, you also have another support line here, by the way. If we look at it like this, we have a strong support there as well. So we kind of play with the line here a bit. I think it's raised, yeah, something like this. So we have support there because you can see we had support here, right? So let me just put this circle that. Okay, and then we can go back. We had a lot of support here, right? You can see several times it supported and brought support here. We have support here. We have support there. Okay, so there's a lot of support on that yellow line. That's another potential support. If they break, so we have this support. If we break that, this support, and we break that, we have that support. So I think we're good. I don't think it's a bear market unless we break that. That's my assessment for the cryptocurrency. And Matic, in spite of all that, is pumping today. Look at that. Matic is pumping. Okay. But it has reached now a resistant point. You can see that there is this resistant line here several times. Okay. We've reached that resistant line. Reach that, goes down. Reach this, goes down. Reach that, goes down. So I sold my Matic already. I owned it. And of course, it's reaching now. So maybe you cannot see. Hold on. I bring that down here. So you can see we're right at the resistant line. So good time to sell, okay? Because probably we may come here back, it may bounce up again, or we just may go down all the way back to like support, okay? So a good time to sell Matic while you're in profit if you're invested in it. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. I'll see you tomorrow. Live in a beautiful state. Bye for now.